Dua sawoyen dua ombo. It's a pleasure to join your students, your teachers, your staff and families to officially open the new Nadrau Primary School. For our most rural communities, the school represents more than buildings and classrooms. It is a center for the community. It is a refuge in storms, and it is a connection to the rest of the country. So when this school was leveled by a cyclone Winston, the strongest storm to ever strike our hemisphere, your children and your communities lost something precious. And when your government set out to rebuild the school, we knew we had to get the rebuild right. Every building of your new school has been built to be Category 5 cyclone resilient. And as I've said in the vernacular, I want every child here to know that I believe your futures are worth every dollar of that investment. For that same reason, we made education free for the first time in this country, so that no child would be held back by financial constraints. And for the same reason, we pay for free textbooks and subsidized transportation to school for those who need it. You are our future, and we believe you deserve every measure of support we can give. In place of the old wooden buildings that used to stand in this space, are classrooms and dormitories which comprise one of the most modern school campuses in the country. We are now in the cooler season, and I'm sure the students who board here are grateful that these facilities keep out the cold and keep them warm and comfortable at night. I'm proud to say that this campus is built to resist more than cool weather. As your community's evacuation center, it can be counted on when the future storms bear down upon us. The great test of these new buildings came in Cyclone Nyasa, which was nearly as powerful as tropical Cyclone Winston. The school was yet to be completed, but some structures were standing. When the winds came, your people took shelter here. And when the clouds parted, this school was still standing, and then construction continued. Rather than walk amongst the rubble, you could go about your lives in the dawn of a new day. There's no price you can place on the sense of security. I wish you and your students well in their studies, and I look forward to meeting as many of you as possible. Nibigay sa kanang gangani mo saya nang turuan tunan raw no turuan italtala. Masaya chu sa kana linbunwa. Sa may dolos at sige na pumanten tunan nam ni kurubli. Binasa ko rin.